Hey, it's Steve. Welcome to the frequency and pitch chart. This one is a little more advanced, but I think you can understand the idea. Now, it's about harmonic EQing, or using EQ in a musical way. What does that really mean? Here's the thing. EQs operate with numbers for specific frequencies and hertz, but music happens with pitch, and we talk about those with letters like G, F sharp, B flat, or C. This chart connects the name of the musical notes with specific frequencies that you can EQ. Why would you want to do that? Answer, so you can EQ your kick drums and EQ your sub bass lines. If you only use this chart for EQing your bass lines, your music is going to get so much better and tighter with deep, heavy, low end, where you dump out a whole bunch of frequencies that you don't need, and you boost up the ones that you do need for specific bassline notes. Once you figure this out, it is so easy, and this chart is going to help you do it. So click the button and download it. It's free, and it's going to help you make tight, solid, low-end mixes with your kick drums and sub bass. That's what it's all about with electronic music for us as Ableton heads. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you inside.